Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 11 for clean management system in Django, PostgreSQL and Bootstrap. So in this video, we will mainly work on the data table and we have applied the data table here, right? We will apply the data table. So with the data table, we can search the data, we can sort the data for every column or defined column. So you can explore the documentation, right? So I have applied in very simple way, right? And we will also see that how we can do the how we can apply the export options, right? So please watch the full video so you will understand that how we have applied the data table and export option in this video, correct? And we have also modified our reports because now we have changed the visits in the patient to visit table because we have created the visits table, right? And for the collection also, and we have mainly worked in for the export option and data table, right? So I hope you like the video, you will like the video. So please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, and if you like the video then please share, subscribe, like this channel, right? And if you are new then please subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so let's start to integrate data table. So first of all we will write in the Google data table jQuery or just simply data table. So here we have a data table, right? And then let's open our main patient templates, all patients, right? And then what we have here. Okay, so let's go to data table here and let's go to examples, right? And here we have Bootstrap 5, correct? So this is Bootstrap 5. We need to include these scripts, and in the HTML we just need to add this ID, right? So let's go to here and give a ID. I will say data table, correct? And after that we have a script, right? So let's copy these scripts. So I will use the CDN, I mean I will use from the server, I will not include on the local system. So let's copy these scripts and paste it here, and one by one we will include it, right? So let's do that. So this one first, we need three more, 2 3 4, correct? And then we have a bundle, so we include it in the second line, right? And then we have a third one, so we include it here, right? And then we have a fourth one, we include it here, correct? So now we also need to do one more thing, this new data table, an example we need to pass, correct? So what we have, script, this new data table, and here we will pass the ID, right? So let's match this, yes, correct. Okay, now we need a CSS, so let's copy the CSS. So we will say link, okay, so this one, let's say link href link CSS, okay, and this is closing tag, and we will copy this one, copy, right? And paste here, and one more we will copy this one, this one, and copy this one, correct? So now it should show the data in the data table. Let's see, refresh this, and you can see here it is showing now, right? So visits and everything is okay, but everything is fine, but this visit button is not correct. Okay, so what we can do, let's remove the detail and medicine detail, right? Let's remove detail and medicine detail, because if we suppose even if the detail is entered, it will not show here properly. So I'll just remove that. Okay, so now we have a visits, and you can see here search, and you can see here the sorting, right? So this is auto come with the data table, correct? Now let's include the export option, right, which is our main thing that we need to do. So export option. Okay, so for the export options, what we have for the export option, you can go to data table export, right? And in this you have a data table provide lot of options, so you can just copy these things and you can paste in the scripts. And also it has a css, so you can paste the css, right? And so this will work. Okay, so this will work, and you can see the shops these options. So when we click on the print, it will print the data. When we click on the pdf, it will download the pdf, right? And lot of features, so you can explore the export options, and you can see that how you can change the file name, how you can format the file name. So whatever you want to do, you can do with the export, right? And so with this our export functionality completed. Now let's complete this total patient report. So for the total patient report, what we need to do, before it was the patient, we are fetching the data from the patient table, but now we need to fetch data from the visits table, because now the visit date is not exist in the patient, it is exist in the visit table, right? So if when you change the collection report and reports, then it will, when you change the model, then it will change the data, and it will correct the values, right? So this is fetching the uh, reports from the visits table, right? So manage patients, add visit. So this is uh, we have done with the manage patients. I have also added the title, right, with the page title keyword argument. And we also settled our report. In the previous video, I think I have missed something in the 10th video. I'm sorry for that, right? Maybe when I combine all the videos, then it is changed the number or something. But the code is correct, and it is uploaded on the github. So if you need the source code, then I will request you to please help me with this amount, right? And I will provide you access of the source code. And please comment your thoughts about the project, and please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe, like this video, share this video, correct? So thank you so much. And now we will deploy the code. In the next video, we will deploy the code, and then we will see how we can send the SMS and email, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video.